Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Key Heart Marketing. They're looking for a marketing assistant. It pays $20 an hour. Our company Key Heart Marketing is looking for a 25 to 35 hour a week role to join our team remotely. You will be responsible for writing, curating, and creating content both written and visual across our clients' social media channels. You'll create and contribute ideas for copy and graphics that could span newsletters, social media, landing pages, and websites, as well as take care of admin work and research. We need a curious person who has eyes on culture, media, online trends, and that is generally interested in communication. Your friends describe you as having a great taste, and ideally you're already writing and doing visual design and some other facet in your life. Here's what you'll be working on: video creation and light editing to be used in TikTok and Reels. Research into best content practices for all platforms with emphasis on TikToks and Reels. Doing graphic design work using Canva, researching hashtags and keywords, influencer marketing projects, working on consistent strategy for multiple clients, helping with a client-facing interaction, writing content for Instagram and Facebook and more, curating images for Instagram and Facebook and more, engaging with followers for Instagram and Facebook, writing ad copy for paid media, writing ad copy across various platforms like Instagram and Facebook. You'll also roll up your sleeves person and could pitch in to handle customer service pings and light admin work. Is this you? We're looking for a wordsmith, illustrative. You should have an expert command of the English language and use your voice. We want a culture vulture who makes it their mission to find out about the new and coolest trends in social media and marketing. You must be able to and willing and able to organize and write about your finds with intelligence, wit, and curiosity, as well as dig deep in order to tell a story. You understand direct response copywriting or could get up to speed on how that affects your copy. We're looking for someone to work virtual position 25 to 35 hours per week during Pacific Standard Time or Eastern Standard Time business hours each day. This position could easily expand to full-time within the next 6 months. Because this is a work-from-home position, we require a self-starter who is excellent at time management and taking ownership of projects and who enjoys being part of a fast-paced micro team that rolls up new ideas often. Qualifications: a portfolio that showcases written work you have published, blogs, creative writing, professional copywriting, ads, etc., or other examples of your writing. A portfolio that showcases visual design that you've created. If you think they help to demonstrate your aesthetic, links to your Instagram, Pinterest, blog, or other social media, yours or accounts you manage that showcase your talents as a curator, style/trend maven, and or natural creative. Ability to handle multiple projects simultaneously, excellent communication skills, especially written, deep curiosity and ability to express yourself creatively, a desire to improve your work by giving and receiving feedback, collaborating, iterating, and editing, the drive and determination to do great things, loves to be and make things organized, and has a great attention to detail. Perks: remote work. Where you work and what you wear is completely up to you. Flexibility: we understand family commitments. Time off: this is a remote job. Take time off as needed. Non-negotiables: reliable internet and a quiet place to work. Pacific Standard Time or Eastern Standard Time zone availability. Excellent attention to detail. You're a self-editor extraordinaire. Process-oriented with exceptional organization skills. How to apply: if you qualify, we will contact you by setting up an interview over Zoom. If we determine from the interview that you're a good fit for the company, you will be assigned a small trial project or two, after which we select the candidate for the long-term position. Hourly pay will be determined based on experience and availability. This job is full-time or part-time, pays $20 per hour, has a flexible schedule, 8-hour shifts, day shifts Monday through Friday, and prefer 1 year of marketing. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular role, we'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do to find the best remote work from home job just for you is to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have a brand new video for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.